Fake ass bitches. By who? You gonna give it to me? Oh, okay. Oh, is you a native? You don't care about the black community, bitch. We don't care about yours either, okay? Now go suck a dick on the reservation. How about that? Blickety blocked. Nah. Let me go up and read some more. Look else I got something smart to say. You know, that's another thing. Think about it. This bitch talking about what all this shit she do for the black community. Who does she really talk about on her all the time and post about the fucking natives? This white bitch that's running all these black people. She ain't running the natives. That's all she talk about. Fucking natives coming up in here talking shit. You don't give a fuck about us, bitch. We don't give a fuck about you. A bitch will put on a native hat